we have 15 minutes. We have 15 minutes to burn fat, sculpt the body. We're gonna get a great workout. After we finish this workout, I'm going to share it. So if you want, you can do it twice. You don't need any equipment, only your body weight. You're allowed to stop and get water if you need to. You're allowed to stop and rest. You're allowed to stretch, but you're not allowed to give up. Let's get our arms up. So we have 4 exercises, 45 seconds each, 3 rounds. We have a 15-second rest or transition in between each exercises. So this is short and sweet and effective. We get right to it. Let's stretch. We'll do a quick stretch. If you need more of a stretch, feel free to do so. We're going to take one leg back, one leg forward, lean into the stretch. So I'm leaning into the stretch, but not leaning on my knee. Woo! Switch legs. Hi. Heel is on the ground, leaning into the stretch. So this is high intensity interval training, but you don't need to do impact. You can do low impact, stretch forward. Pushing your butt back, stretching the back of the legs, the hamstrings. And walk it up. Roll your shoulders back. Big twist. Okay, you guys. So right into it. So the first exercise, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what a jumping jack is. If you cannot do a jumping jack because you need to do low impact, then you could just step your legs side to side, tapping the toe, and the arms go up. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna use our timer because I know you guys like to see how many seconds you have left. And round 1, and go. Woo. Okay. Chin is lifted, chest is out, shoulders back. Hi. All my neighbors saying hi. Okay, what if you cannot jump? Side to side, side to side. Your second exercise is an X plank. We're going to take a very wide plank, beginner friendly, and rest. So you're going to go into a wide plank. So this is a regular plank. What you're going to do is go as wide as you can and hold 45 seconds. And I'll show you from the side. So from the side, it's a wide X plank. If this is too challenging for you, you can go into a regular plank. Don't hold your breath. Woo! these quick, don't I? We have a hip dip, center, 1, 2, turn, hip dip, center, 1 and 2. Let's go right into it. I turn, drop, center, leg 1, leg 2, turn, drop, up. Now, if you're a beginner and this is too challenging for you, pick one or the other. Either hold it in a side plank or just do legs. Now, if you hold it in a side plank, you're gonna have to alternate sides. That's the only thing you have to think about, but that's okay. And rest. Okay, fourth exercise is a reverse plank. We got a lot of planks today, a lot of core work. Okay, so your reverse plank is right here. Now, if you're a beginner, bend the legs. This is fine. When you're a beginner, there's nothing wrong with this. For the advanced students, your chin is lifted. Dropping is easier, but lifted is harder. Let your legs shake, but don't hold your breath. Do keep your breathing on a rhythm. Chin is lifted. Bonus, working those neck muscles as you lift the neck. The booty, working the back of the legs, the glutes. Okay, guys. These are quick. Round 2. Jumping jacks. Make sure I don't step on my timer. We don't need that. Okay. So some of you, there's a lot of variations out there. I try to make these Wednesday 15-minute Facebook Live HIIT classes, basic movements so that you can get them right away. If you want, you can clap your hands up on the jumping jack, or you can hit it. See, I'm hitting. Or step to the side. Nothing wrong with this because soon you get stronger. When you're a beginner, little by little, woo! Rest. Okay. X plank, round 2. So I take as wide as I can here. Woo! Now your arms may shake, your legs may shake, and that's okay. See, as wide as you can. Come on, come on. Hold, you can do it. And rest. Now you have that hip dip or a side plank or leg lift. So many variations. So here we go. We're going to start on that side. Drop it down, center, lift it 1, lift it 2, drop it down, side, lift it up, lift it 1 leg, opposite leg, drop it down. If you get your legs mixed up on the lead leg, it's no big deal. It's okay. If I drop with my left, I try to use my left foot leg first, but no problem if you get it mixed up. Woo! And rest, reverse plank. right into it. Lots of sweat already. Okay. Woo! Now, if you're a beginner, take some of that weight off right here. When you're an advanced student, you want to try to keep your butt lifted. Chin lifted. Do keep your breathing on a rhythm though. This is one of those exercises where it's easy to hold your breath and not realize you're holding your breath. Your legs may shake, your arms may shake. If you find that you're dropping the legs, push it up, keep it up. You guys only have one more round. Come on, come on. This is working your glutes, hamstrings, arms, rest. Jumping jacks, round 3. All right, let's go. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a hit. My arms, yeah, hit up. See if you can gently hit each time you bring your arms up, or you can clap. Or you can do the same thing with low impact. Rest. Woo! X-plank. Okay, guys. So as wide as you can on that. Wide. You take a wide step. Arms. And go. From the side. So wide step and arms wide. Come on. Hold it. Finish strong. Finish strong on this. Almost finished. Woo! And rest. Okay, into that hip dip with a leg up, leg up. Drop and then up, and then leg 1 and 2. It doesn't matter what your lead leg is, just lift up those legs. You can also bring the arm, if you have your arm, maybe a handheld weight here, and then I switch 1, 2, and then you can use a handheld weight. Drop down, up, 1, 2. Down. As you do this leg lift, keep your toes pointed down. And rest. Okay, reverse plank. Woo! All right, let's go for it. Last one. If you're a beginner, half the body weight. Take some of that body weight off here. Either way, keep your chin lifted. If you're doing half the body weight, can you keep your chin lifted? Not back, but lifted. Okay. Woo! Come on. Come on. Your body may shake a little bit, legs shake, arms shake. It's okay. Keep yourself focused. Focus on the movement. Remember why you're doing this. Tighten it up. Rest. Knees up. See? Fast, right? Okay, you guys. Woo! Kicks. Okay, I'm gonna share this. Very good. Now you know what the moves are. Go ahead, you can do it again. Get some water, wipe the sweat off your brow. Give yourself about a minute rest. And then come back and do this twice. One more time, we'll give you it 2 times. If you want to train with me, 5 days a week. That's right, 5 days a week. If you want me to be your trainer, really change your body, check out my membership site. Otherwise, I will see you guys next Wednesday, 5:30. Take a deep breath up. Good job, you guys. Woo! Virtual high five.